Okay, playing more Correlation today. I found this game just yesterday actually, and I was very impressed with the graphics and the quality. There's a lot of different weapons, all of which they nailed perfectly. Game is super fun, pretty easy, like almost a little too easy to be fun, but it's a great game. Did that guy just like glitch into the building? Okay, finally die. Doesn't like net at my loadout. It's the best assault rifle, the G3A3. Can't get better than this one. I know it looks like a Tommy gun or something ridiculous, but it's so great. Oh, come on. Alright, I'm going. Snipper. You've gotta be kidding me. How could you miss that? Come back, come back, come back. I'm coming for you. Coming for you. Okay. Good, I died. I don't think I've used the MP5 yet. Did you get me with the... Did they get me? Oh, 85, I don't think. Oh yeah, I had this one. I'm not doing too good today. I just woke up. You know what? I'm gonna use the Chris Vector. Funny as it is, the Chris Vector was the only gun that came with a sight. It only comes with the red dot, but it's still a step higher than all the other guns. See, like without the sight, I cannot get that guy from back here. Going for the kill. And he gets me. One shot. So, I'd have to say, the best gun in the whole game is going to be the G3060. I need a G36, man. I love the G36. Did a tremendous job on it. What the heck? That's a dumb username. So I guess I'll end the day. Probably I won't. Am I using the old favorite, the M4? Because when you think, what else would I want to use? The good old M4. There's only one thing I'd rather use than an M4, and that is a PK. Yes. Probably won't get any kills to this bad boy, but I get to walk around and look like a boss, so I'll take the PK. See, the idiot still comes and gets me. It's coming. Alright, that's where we'll end the video for today, guys.